Instagram has evolved into a social media powerhouse, allowing users to share moments, connect with friends, and discover inspiring content. However, like any app, it can occasionally encounter issues such as not connecting to the internet. If you find yourself in this frustrating situation, don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we'll explore potential reasons why Instagram may fail to connect to the internet and offer some troubleshooting tips to help you get back to scrolling through your feed and sharing your stories. The most common culprit for this issue is a weak or unstable internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to access Instagram. Like any software, Instagram can encounter temporary glitches that may disrupt its connectivity to the internet. In such cases, a simple app restart might resolve the issue. Running an outdated version of the Instagram app can lead to compatibility issues with the latest platform updates, causing connectivity problems. Instagram servers may experience temporary outages or maintenance, preventing users from accessing the app during those periods. Encountering issues with Instagram not connecting to the internet can be frustrating, but understanding the potential reasons behind the problem can help you resolve it more efficiently. Whether it's a network connectivity issue, app glitch, outdated version, or temporary server outage, staying patient and following the troubleshooting tips can get you back to sharing your life's moment and exploring the vibrant world of Instagram. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.